This is over at the south end of Elmhurst. That's the hospital. And this is the interchange between York Street, or do you say York Road, and Roosevelt. And over here is what is known as the old trailer court. And Elmhurst Park District obtained the land in the recent past, and the work has begun to clear out the trees so they can make this a park. This was a trailer court for many years. This building here was part of the trailer court administration. Possibly it was washers and dryers and stuff like that. One other structure still over there. Parcel looks smaller now that all the trees have been removed. There's the tree cutters over there. Oh, the plan is to make this a dog park. This is the only official park south of Butterfield in Elmhurst, unless you count the Salt Creek Greenway. And it's definitely the only park south of Butterfield and east of York Road. There was probably 3 or 4 dozen trailers in here for many years. I remember when it was a trailer court. So now they got the trees taken out. A little bit of cleanup. There's a sewage structure, oh, back in there somewhere, probably where that little hill is. I got some older videos on the YouTube channel that show this place. Looking forward to seeing it done.